not just in Chennai, several IT companies and several startups in Bangalore as well have declared a holiday today. In view of how many applications for leave have come in, they've decided to voluntarily give most of their employees a day off. And of course, students like these that I have with me, engineering students who've taken off from their college, come here. They have tickets for the 11 o'clock show, but they've been here for several hours now just to soak in the atmosphere. Let's hear from them. What do you hear so far? How is the movie looking?
The movie is very good. I heard the review, but we are awaiting eagerly for watch the movie at 11 a.m.
You've taken off from college just to watch the movie. How difficult was it to get the ticket?
Yeah, it was very difficult. We are strangely waiting for one month for getting a ticket. I'm not going to get it. My friend only helped us to get the ticket. He only cut the class and stayed and get the ticket for us. He's such a great man.
What's your message to Talaiva today?
Well, we want him to act more movies, and we are expecting still 50 or 60 movies from
50 odd movies, that's what the fans of Rajinikanth here want. Of course, there have been several publicity stunts, but the man in the middle of it all has been missing. He is not even in Chennai today. He's traveling, and fans want a glimpse of him. We're given to understand that some family members of Rajinikanth will be visiting theatres, Kasi perhaps, or even Albert Theatre here in Chennai, and most of the fans want to get just a glimpse of at least some family member of Rajinikanth. Of course, that AirAsia flight that has a special offer, flying in fans from Bangalore, taking them to Satyam Theatre here in Chennai, flying them back. Several such, tie-ups have been there with Kabali. But the fans, as far as the fans are concerned, it's only about one man. From 2 a.m. onwards, hundreds of them have lined up this particular road. We had several people who have come down from Japan. For most of them, it's a ritual. They've been coming here for the past 10 years. Ahead of every Rajinikanth release, they come here to watch the movie in Chennai, in Kasi Theatre, which is the heart of the Rajinikanth mania ahead of any movie release. So clearly the momentum is still building up. They've been here for at least 8 to 10 hours now, but the energy levels are clearly not dipping. Right now, there are fewer people here on the street because most of them just went in for a show at around 11 o'clock. We're expecting hundreds of them to walk out, and every 5 minutes, I can tell you, I hear a loud cheer coming in from inside the theatre. So we are only waiting for more people to come out. The reviews, of course, are looking extremely good. Rajinikanth posters, Rajinikanth hairstyle, Rajinikanth T-shirts. Across Tamil Nadu, there's just one man for the past 1 month, one man's face plastered across, and that's not going to die down anytime soon.